Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with tools and toys and containers and an ant. And I think I'm going to pan the dustpan, pun intended, and use a shovel. I'm going to take the colors, including gold. I'm going to make sure I shake them up a little bit. That's an iridescent turquoise. I don't believe Art Minds is back on the shelf yet. I think Folk Art bought them, and I don't know why they won't make that color again yet. I'm rooting for it to happen. So this is a color shift in green gold from Folk Art. This is a purple flash from Folk Art. These are basically my go-to favorite colors. This is, I think, I'm not positive, wait. I think it's an Arteza orange. If it's not, it could be the Folk Art color shifting orange. And I'm going to use a little bit of red, and I can't remember whose red it is, so don't ask me. I'm going to throw some white enamel in, and I think it's gloss, but as long as it's enamel acrylic, it usually affects the other colors. Makes me want some black in there now. Oh boy. Okay, well, I've got a Modern Masters Venetian blue that I absolutely love. And I believe this other blue that I have is a color shifting from Folk Art, but I don't use it much. And it might be a blue that I made myself and turned into an iridescent by adding Golden's Pearl Iridescent Fine to it. That makes me want something darker in there. Not just a purple. Maybe some darker purple. And I'm missing turquoise like crazy. Okay, I've got some turquoise. Not a lot, but some. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Alright, so that's not a huge amount of paint, but my plan is to tip the artwork, and I've pre-primed a 12 by 24 inch with black. It was black when I got it, and it was on sale yesterday, and I was really happy that that was the truth. I'm not sure how to go about this. I kind of want to start in the middle and go outwards and spin my turntable because I'm nervous I won't have the same amount of paint on both sides, but I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to get as full a shovel as I can. Let it go forward. Come on, forward you go. Come on, all the way across. Thank you. Alright, I'm just going to grab some more paint. Now, I just did this recently and left it alone. And I think what I want to do is just use all my paint. And I wanted to tip anyway. I'm going to put the rest of my paint into my shovel as best I can, hoping that it will not be too mucky. And now we're just going to try it. Am I? You know what? I'm going to take the rest of my paint. Who knows what's going to happen? I want a little more gold and a little more orange, and I'm just going to squeeze them right into my shovel. Because I can. The name of my first book, under Show More on the link tree, underneath the video. I'm not sure I'm in love with that yet, and I'm probably going to just keep adding some more colors. I'm going to add some purple flash, some Folk Art, and some of that Venetian blue. Who knows, I might not tip it. Kind of reminds me of some sort of graph or chart. So if I want to add some more, I really could. And guess what's going to happen now? I'm just going to take my Venetian blue. Boy, somebody's really upset. That's kind of cool. I think the red is next. Alright, so I lied about tipping. Again. And I did what I did because I can, the name of that first book. And the second one next to it is called Unlimited Possibilities. And the only thing I'm thinking at this point is that I might want to put some gold in here. Because I can, sort of thing. Or some dots. That's kind of neat. I've never done exactly this before. I mean, I've done stuff based on frivolously doing whatever I wanted, but nothing exactly like this. I'm kind of thinking a little more orange. And I'm wondering if I like the dots. Now I've got blue and the orange. I like the orange. I call it Velveeta, but this one's a little brighter than the last one. Cool. That's interesting. So the last thing I can add is my favorite purple Flash color shifting folk art. Because I can. Now I have to decide if there's going to be dots or not. But while I'm deciding that, I'm going to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. My email address is below the link tree underneath the video, where you can find all those other links like Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter links. I want some darker orange. That's all there is to it. And maybe just in a few places. And maybe with some dots. Because again, I'm having too much fun again. I think I'm going to have to torch and release the bubbles caught in the paint. I might take the sharp end of my skewer and sort of let those... I kind of like those. This is anomalous though. This is not... I think that was the bottom of my bottle bouncing off something else. But I don't mind. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm dotting it. Here goes nothing. Just gonna grab my favorite colors. I might be tempted by a little bit of white pearl. And I always like a little bit of gold. We'll see how I feel about it. That's kind of cool though. I'm not unhappy. I never did tip. I could still tip. But then I wouldn't keep what I've got, and I really kind of want to keep what I've got. I should just quick like a bunny prime another canvas. That is dripping out all over the place. And that's probably okay. It's DNA! I just figured it out! It's a strand of alien DNA. Where is that gone? Okay, I've got some pearl from the Sargent's. It's not really the same as the Anita's. But I don't think, if you don't tell, I won't tell. And I think it needs a little bit of white. Whatever it is. Yeah. So we could have made a mess by tipping. But we didn't this time. I'd be really tempted to put some yellow in if I wasn't feeling like I'm pretty much done. And I should tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you. And thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the contributions that have helped keep me painting for such a long time at YouTube. I really appreciate that. If you like my videos and you want to continue helping me make them, look for PayPal or Patreon icons on the channel header. Also, the links are under the link tree. Yeah, I'm not minding that. The birds are they're having a caucus, for sure. How much further do I go? I don't think I should fuss much. I think I'm just about ready for torching. So there's a drawing every month, and you can see the prizes for that drawing in the exhibition video. It's shared on the end screens of every video. I don't just sell my art, I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I have Teespring clothing made with my designs, all over print leggings and t-shirts, and that's under the link tree. I have Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I want some white here. Put the bottle down. I got it. Yep, that's okay. That doesn't bother me. So there's plenty of accidental stuff going on there and a lot of absolutely on purpose stuff. I love you guys. There's 87,000 of you. Yay! I finally made it. And you can find my website under the link tree. On my channel, on my YouTube channel, you can find over 1,360 videos organized by genre and by the hundred. So if you want to go check that out. If you have comments for me or questions for me, please just feel free to ask me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm not seeing much of anything else here I should be telling you guys about other than the Facebook groups Totes and More. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has stuff from Fine Art America and Pixels.com, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has the edited wet and dry artworks. Might as well use the paint, right? It's all mixed up. It's prettier mixed up. Told you guys I love you. I'm almost done. I used all my paint. Look how pretty that box is. Wow. Nice cells. I should put something over that so I can use it again in a minute. Oh look, a convenient lid. That works. And a new dot. It's getting a little muddy. I think I'm good. Oh, I hate wasting all that paint. It's pretty paint. Alright, you guys take care of each other and take care of yourselves. I love you very much. And I will see you anon. I'm just going to spread my paint out on my Lolify silicone mat that I stripped down earlier today. And I will see you. Put that in the bucket and call it good. Now I'm going to have to do one of those and tip it. Maybe I'll just be more random this time. So you guys take care of each other. I told you that. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying, I'll see you anon.